So on to the installation. Installation was pretty straightforward. They had 2 spring-loaded clips that simply mount to the window frame, and a rail at the back of the unit was pretty forgiving. The rail runs the entire width of the unit, so you don't have to be super precise on where you put the brackets. Just get them up there in the right position and level. The unit snaps right into place. When you configure these blinds on their website, you've got several options. I opted for the zebra shades, which is basically alternating bands of transparent and opaque fabric. You can choose to stagger the position and let some light in, or let the blinds all the way down, and it'll effectively become privacy blinds. In addition, I opted for this integrated valance, which I think actually looks pretty nice, as well as a solar panel. Additional options included having a remote control, which you all probably know that I am a big proponent of having physical controls in your smart home. So we do have the remote control that allow a guest or anyone to just operate it from a button. You can also choose the way this integrates with your smart home. I went with the Matter option, but you have some that integrate with Amazon, you know who. Again, I opted for the Matter equipped option, which I believe gives me the most versatility, and that's definitely the one I would recommend. I have to say that the Matter pairing setup process with these blinds have actually been the smoothest I've ever experienced with inside of Apple HomeKit. Unlike other Matter products that I've integrated, this one paired the very first time and was very smooth and slick. So I have to say, this product has great build quality, great integration with any modern smart home platform, and is surprisingly quiet. Here are the Canisteo Smart Blinds. Now here's my ULAX Smart Blinds. Now here's my SwitchBot Tilt. Again, super quiet, and pretty much the only downside with this thing is now I have to get more of them. So if you want to pick up a set of these Canisteo Smart Blinds, check the link in the description. And as always, like, subscribe, share, all that crap. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.